and outsider. God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven inside and outside. God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven. I'm a testimony. I'm different now from back when you knew me. Now I try to do the kingdom duties. Can a sinner change? Absolutely. Take a step, then take a next step. If you fall, get up and stand tall. Break sweat, then break some more sweat. Hard work is free for all. Are you saved? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Even though it was a close call. So much God has done, so much I'm blessed by default. On the inside and outside, God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven inside and outside. God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven. I can tell a little about my story. You could put me in a category. I was bad talking predatory. So many days mama had to worry, but God gave me the victory. He enlarged my territory, so let the king get all the glory. Praising him is mandatory. Hey. Are you saved? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Even though it was a close call. God has done so much, I'm blessed. On the inside and outside, God shining his light. God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven inside and outside. God shining his light. God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Fruity music.
Kyle Parker again. Hey, on the inside and outside, God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven inside and outside. God shining his light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven. I'm a testimony. I'm different now from back when you knew me. Now I try to do the kingdom duties. Can a sinner change? Absolutely. Take a step, then take a...
Kaya, read me a story.
Alright, read him a story you're working on.
Now, this is called Red Light for the Captain. The first day of school. Allow me. Wake up, Patty Mom said. Oh, hey, Mom. We're fine here. Chapter 2, Patty Mom says. Wait, today is school? Yes, we went over this. OMG, I need my clothes and my backpack and... Hold on, Kaya, calm down. I packed your stuff. All you need is clothes to wear today. Chapter 2, at school. Mine. OMG, I'm scared to be in 6th grade. Bumped into somebody random. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, it's okay. Are you sure? Yes. Now, can you hand me my books? Yeah, sorry, sure. Chapter 3, in class, first period. I didn't finish it, though.
How many chapters is your book?
This is the 3rd chapter. It's going to be the 3rd chapter in class. For the first period, and she meets her other friends.
You remember when you couldn't read? And used to make up the story?
Yeah, I made up. Every time I went to...
And turn the pages
every time I went to,
keep going.
No.
That was so funny. Go for it sometimes.
some butter in the pot?
When it's mashed up.
This is the consistency.
Now take that spoon and stir it up.
Careful.
Careful.
So what you're gonna do now is you're going to stir it. Just don't stir it fast because it's still hot. But look how it's turning into mashed potatoes already. All the water is going now into the mashed potatoes to make this. And make sure you stir it up to all the powder to be mushy like mashed potatoes. So you're gonna keep mixing it. Now that the water is faded into the mashed potatoes, you can start mixing it. Ooh, it smells good.
And God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can seek heaven.
Now we're gonna open the butter and you get a little bit of butter. This much.
No, get a whole spoon. Get one more spoon.
This. Then you're gonna mix it up again to make that taste go in. Make sure you get all the butter and all the powder out of the bowl.
Inside and outside, God shining His light, and God's light is so bright. Let it go before men so they can see.
Fried cabbage mixed with broccoli sauce and smoked beef sausage.
Smoked beef sausage? We'll try that.
The big one. Excuse me.
So bright, let it go before men so they can seek heaven. Inside and outside, God shining His